We have not had any confirmation that this is on the ground. However, what you're looking at on our sky cam, and this is why these sky cams are so valuable, is yes, we can see stuff on radar, but it's great to actually see what's going on. We've got lowering of the clouds here. You see that, actually kind of two areas of a lowering there. We're going to watch that closely. Make sure we get a good vantage point because we had a pretty good shower come through. Let's see, we should be. Yeah, that's a good perspective there. We're going to continue to watch that as it crosses over, but that's the area of rotation.
All right, tornado warnings continue to be in place for northeastern Craighead County and southern Greene County. Beautiul. It is time to
not getting rain at the there yet. The couplet that we're seeing on radar is going to be passing very close to Carriage Hills near the new high school. Right here, Skycam sits right here, and it's looking down to the south, and that's what you're seeing there. That's what is
county. So a very dangerous situation. We are zoomed in on Paragould storm as of right now. We still not seeing a definite sign of a lowering of the cloud base, but definitely a serious situation with moving to the southwest. Like I said, even though the storm structure looks to be as indicated by radar. The structure looks to be fading. We still have decent couplet, decent area of rotation, less than 2 miles north of Carriage Hills on Highway 49. I'm looking at the tornado warning in effect until 5:45. Starting to rain a little bit more in Paragould. The wind has switched around from the south to the north.
You know, so far so good. You know, it's good to have these sky cams that not only show you if there is something, but if there is not something also. And I've had several reports coming in. I appreciate the one up around Corning, and that did cause the damage at the airport. Also had reports of maybe some damage at some homes there. That line continues to move off to the east. We should be done with this in a couple of hours as it continues to move off to the east. A lot of severe thunderstorm warnings with this segment that is down to the south, which does
seems to be bowing out a little bit, so we definitely have to keep a lookout for
gusty winds on that one.
Absolutely.
The severe thunder. Ooh, there's some gusty winds with this one.
We're talking 40, 50.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, definitely. It looks like the strongest winds right now with the severe thunderstorm warnings is going to be coming into the Tilton area, Fair Oaks area. Notice those bright shades of green and even that little bit of pink there. That is indicating some strong winds. That's going to be coming into wind here shortly.
So, yeah, you know, Highway 49 looks like really where this straight line wind is concerned.
Yeah, this is heading right in.
storms this afternoon. Tornado warnings are still in effect for a couple more minutes. We'll see if they extend that warning. It is actually set to expire at 5:30. However, they have not extended that at this second, but I kind of expect them to, the way that looks. It is starting to break up a little bit to the north. We're watching a lot of thunderstorms up in Clay County, up around the Piggott area. Corning earlier got some severe weather. We had pictures of crop dusters thrown a mile and buildings demolished. And so we need to pay really close attention as we get these warnings. We just let you know there's a thunderstorm warning for western Poinsett County, northern Cross County, getting some reports down there of some rotation and a possible wall cloud around the Waldenburg area. And I'm sure Ryan Vaughn and Brian are keeping a really close eye on that with the radar right now. Let's run over some safety tips really quickly because these thunderstorms quickly become tornado warnings. And maybe you're just now turning on the radio, maybe you've been out of town, and Brett Hall's going to run over some safety tips for you right now.
In addition to the tornado, the possibility of destructive straight-line winds exists this afternoon. And just this reminder, the safest place to be during a tornado is in a storm.
Watching this two tornado winds, one in Clay County and the other affecting Dunklin, Penobscot, and New Madrid, and started this morning. As they continue to move off very rapidly, these are very low storms, very quickly moving storms. Check out the storm bearing down on Poplar Bluff right now. That's nothing severe but very dangerous situation on Highway 53 also affecting Keelan from also the Beautiul, Dexter, Baker. So we're going to have Ryan bring up on Chroma Key Wall.
Yeah, let's go back up to Copper Bluff right now. That is a pretty heavy storm right now. If we can get the turn there on the monitor, we continue to see a lot of lightning in Poplar Bluff, but we're not seeing anything severe with that. If you notice, the storm of the hour right now is the one through the eastern parts of Clay County. That does include Greenway, Piggott, Nimitz. Did get a report just a little bit ago that the Kennett area now is not seeing the sirens anymore. We continue to see the storm as much now.
Look at that.
A little bit here southwest of Greenway. Let's turn the lightning off in just a second, see if we can get a better look at that. Maybe if that rotation is there.
Give me your phone.
Continuing to watch severe weather across northeast Arkansas. This is Jonesboro Radio 13 coverage. A couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. Those tornado warnings have been allowed to expire for parts of Greene County. Clay County is still under a tornado warning. And up
Yes, I'm a train spotter. I am.
It looks like the center of rotation is now just to the east of Piggott and Greenway.
Yeah. That's going to be very, very close to Piggott. Of course, we have a lot of people here. Chances are spotters or law enforcement will report anything to us if there is actually something within this area. Tell you what I'm going to do. The area of rotation, boy, that's right. You know, it'd be just a couple miles, 2 miles down to the south of Piggott.
Very broad
very
rotation
close.
at that, too.
Yeah.
Just, not very tight circulation, but...
Tell you what, I'm going to widen out here and give everybody a wide perspective for just a second. If you notice, we've got the tornado warnings through southeast Missouri, and those extend outside of Reach today as you head off to the north. Still the tornado warning officially in effect for Clay, Greene, and Dunklin County. I'll say this, Greene County, that storm has moved out of here now. This storm had a tornado warning, no longer has one. We've been watching the line. We'll start at the northern edge of this storm and kind of move down to the south. First taking down into street level into Jonesboro. Valley View, you're starting to see rain now. No worries. We haven't had any signs of rotation near you. City of Jonesboro looking good right now. Harrisburg. It's been a busy area here lately with farmers trying to take care of the rice before all of this mess moved in. Harrisburg, you're going to see heavier rain. It's off to your west right now. This is coming in. You do have a severe thunderstorm warning in for the next half hour or so. Greenfield will also be impacted and a little part of the south. This is the area that we were really concerned with straight line winds. This storm, leading edge of this storm right here, has been showing some. We have been seeing some strong gusty winds with this storm. In fact, if you look at the winds within it right now, you see these bright shades of almost bluish color here, and what that is there. That's
Ron
actually
is painting the picture down in Poinsett County. We've got some severe thunderstorm warnings in place down there, western Poinsett County, and also northern Cross County until 6 o'clock tonight. So space and know where you're going to go. You're listening to Team Coverage, Jonesboro Radio Group, and KAIT. We're going to go back to Ryan Vaughn on KAIT.
We're going to have to go north and east pretty quick. It's not really tight like it was a minute ago.
Rotation right there between that's just to the north of Mounds. New radar scan will be coming through. Just came through on when it's raining. We'll get the winds here in just a second.
Looking at the National Weather Service chat here, we had a small
This thing is just going crazy right now. As fast as this is going, we only got a couple minutes and we're ready to move. This thing is going to be a wedge. I wouldn't go that way, buddy. I'm afraid we're about to lose our road.
What do you think it's going to do?
It's going to go across this highway.
Look at it. That's going to go down. Right here in front of you.
Very close.
Huh?
So we're very close.
Yeah. Keep getting closer. Look.
When it goes across this highway, we've lost it because I don't think there's too many roads east.
What's this one in front of you?
Oh, we're getting rain. Oh, we need to stop.
Keep fucking calling me. Gotta stop.
Look right here.
Right here. We're going to lose video if we keep going.
Well, we're going to lose her down. We're about to go.
I don't want to go underneath it. Look at it. Look how fast it's spinning. Look.
Well, I don't want to lose my visual here either. Damn, I need some better windshield wiper. Turn that shit off. It's about to come right over the highway. We are
Right under it.
less than a quarter mile away from center rotation.
Let them go by. It's coming. It's dropping.
If it does, it's gonna drop again right on the ground. We need an east road bad.
What's that? It's coming. How fast it's dropping? It'd been badass to throw that big truck right in front of us.
Are you still getting video of this?
Yeah, I gotta find a.
Have a cone funnel, cone funnel. Wow.
That's badass.
We have two cone funnels. Look to the left.
Side by side.
There's debris falling from the sky.
Wow, look in front of us. See it? It just ripped that building apart. Stop. Ripping the grain bins apart.
Wow. We're in the road to get over.
I don't know. But it's ripping everything apart right up there. We don't want to be up there. Power line's fixing to go. Lincoln, they're using that a lot.
We're still watching a funnel right here. I'm gonna have to dump some of this off of my phone so I can take some more. That is there's two areas of rotation. There's one right here next to us, and there's another one.
Down. They're like coming down right on this.
This is number 4 right here if this touches ground. I just can't seem to get organized enough to put a good one on the ground, but it's coming down. I wish I had zoom on this. These clouds are absolutely going crazy. I have a feeling we're about to be overtaken by some heavy rain.
What, you see him looking up, wondering what was going on?
Well, I mean, it's all around us right now.
Yeah, we're right in the middle of it.
This is an excellent clear slot. It's been an absolutely amazing day. We're about to see some really heavy rain.
Real heavy.
Stop. Not sure. See, I think that right over there is what we was
watching. That's when we was coming up on it. That's where the funnel was. This right here looks bad. It ain't.
That's just rain. So dark. Well, see those rain sheets right there? We need to get inside. It's about to pour on us. We're just west of Hayti. We got a decent bowl-shaped storm. Everything in this has been rain wrapped. There's another storm to our west. This storm's been going for about 2 hours now. It hasn't shown any signs of weakening yet. That's gonna be it right there. I can't believe it. It's still now, does that road? No, that's gonna take us the wrong way. See, it's like a rope.
It's gonna take us right on the other side where we want to be.
Amazing storms today. I'd have to dump some of my data off my phone.
I think that's what mine did, popped up.
Still, I mean, it's still trying. I have another funnel descending just here east of Hayti.